Welcome to AutoServe and our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series. Over the next few moments, we will take a quick look at what's not included with your package. This video is intended to be used only as a guide. For your full exclusion list, please refer to your terms and conditions or request this document from our operations team. Your guaranteed maintenance contracts include servicing, maintenance and repair, accident management, breakdown assistance, replacement tyres due to fair wear and tear, replacement of worn wiper blades and bulbs, access to our 24 hours emergency helpline, our N-Guard facility, and warranty claim bookings. It's important to know that any item not listed on the SMR report is not covered by your AutoServe guaranteed maintenance contract. A copy of your vehicle's SMR report can be requested by emailing or giving our operations team a call. The driver of the vehicle is responsible for covering the costs and making the arrangements of anything not listed on the SMR report. It is the driver's responsibility to ensure the vehicle is road legal at all times. Items, services and consumables not listed on the SMR report and are the driver's responsibility include the likes of any form of damage to the vehicle or any of its components, sidewall damage to any of the vehicle's tyres, along with any form of damage to tyres regardless of cause, punctures or damage to the shoulder of the tyres where the puncture is irreparable, tracking or wheel alignment. This is classed as damage and usually down to driver error, for example, curbing the vehicle or hitting a pothole, purchase, storage and or fitting of winter or summer tyres, AutoServe fit, repair and replace all season tyres only, any cracks or damage to the vehicle's windscreen regardless of cause, any issues related to batteries includes electric vehicles. If your vehicle won't start due to a battery fault, we will call assistance out to attend the vehicle, but any battery repairs or battery replacements aren't covered. If the vehicle is still covered by manufacturer's assistance, the call out is free. However, if this has expired, AutoServe will call our own breakdown provider out to the vehicle, but for all battery issues, the call-out charge will be charged back to you. Misfueling, running out of fuel or charge is not covered, along with any damage, repairs or costs involved. If the vehicle breaks down, AutoServe's breakdown partners will attend to the vehicle, whether this be at home, work or roadside. If the vehicle is irreparable at roadside, it will be taken to an approved garage within a 10-mile radius of the vehicle's location. Breakdown assistance does not include relay or onwards travel for the driver or any other passengers. Courtesy vehicles may be arranged directly with the garage. Any issues in relation to oil dilution and diesel particulate filters, DPFs, or any issues related to the vehicle's air conditioning system, including aircon recharges. This is a summary for reference only and applies to the large majority of our guaranteed maintenance contracts. For full details on a particular contract, please refer to the contract's specific terms and conditions and the vehicle's SMR report. If you no longer have a copy of the terms or would like to request the SMR report, please send a request via email to us, along with the vehicle registration, and we will send a copy via email. But remember, whether it's an accident, breakdown, or an urgent tyre puncture, we're here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're just a phone call away. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager, your broker, or give our operations team a call. Thanks for watching. Ensure to check out the rest of our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series. Goodbye for now.